Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial, and here we are studying today uh, about GCSE mathematics, and this book here which is opened in front of us is IGCSE book, and this is a book 1, right? So I'll write here, this is book 1 of IGCSE, and it's Pearson Mathematics. You can see here the unit is 4, page 289, and exercise 1 is opened in front of us. Okay, so let's change. So in this question, they've asked us to find the median, lower quartile, upper quartile, and interquartile range of the data set. And the data set is given here in question 1 is 9, 0, 1, 14, 6, 8, and 1. So the first task in front of us is to put all this data in a sequence. That is to put it in ascending order from lowest to the highest. And it's like here, if you put this data in the question number 1, right? So the first digit is 0, and then 1, then next is again 1, and the next one is 6, and the next one is 8, and 9, and 14. So these are the digits which we put them in ascending order from lowest to highest. To find the interquartile range, or lower quartile or upper quartile, what we need to do is to distribute this data into 4 quarters, right? And we need to use a formula. For the lower quartile, or we call it the first quartile, the formula is 1 by 4 times n plus 1. Okay, so here n is how many numbers are here. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the n will be 7. So this is like 1 by 4, 7 plus 1, you can write it is 8, right? So this one, the first quarter, or the lower quarter, which you can call, is 2. So that means the number 2 here, it is the lower quarter. Okay, so I'll put just an arrow here. So the second number is lower quarter or lower quartile. Okay, then for the middle, or the second quarter, for the second quarter, the formula with us is in the same way, 1 by 2 times n plus 1. Okay, so this gives us the answer of 4, right? So n is 8, so 8 by 2 is 4. So the fourth number with us is the second quarter, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this fourth number, which is in fact 6 here, is the second quarter. In the third quarter, the formula with us is 3 by 4 n plus 1, right? So n plus 1 is again 8. 8 threes are 24, and we divide 24 by 4, and the answer with us is 6. Okay, so the sixth number with us is the third quarter, or the upper quarter. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the sixth number here is 9 with us here, right? So now if we see here, this from here, this number, this is our first quarter, this number is our second quarter, and this number is our upper quarter. Okay, so the IQR, or the interquartile range is equal to upper quartile minus lower quartile. Okay, so the upper quartile is 9 with us minus and 1. Okay, so this is 8. Okay, so this is our IQR, and the next question with us was find the median. Okay, as we know that the median means the middle number, right? So the middle number is the median. So in this you can see the second quarter, or the second in the middle is the 50th percentile. So the middle number here is 6 with us, right? So this is how we are going to find the interquartile range. This one is called upper quartile, and this one is called lower quartile. And the difference between upper quartile and lower quartile is in fact the interquartile range. Now let's see what others, uh, median, lower quartile, upper quartile, and the interquartile range of these numbers. So this was our question number 1. And in question number 2, uh, what they are asking is, let me write a new one, new page. So in the second question, 5, 11, 9, 1, 3, and 30.